Defense stocks have already delivered phenomenal returns over the past 3 years. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, Bharat Dynamics Limited, Mazagon, and many others have multiplied investors' wealth. But the big question is, has the rally ended, or is FY27 going to be another strong year for this sector? In this video, we will be discussing the latest government policies, defense budget, export opportunities, company order book, valuation concerns, and identify the stocks that could outperform over the next few years. Hi, this is Anik Mitra. I am a SEBI registered research analyst part-time having my registration number INH 0000238180. I have a disclaimer that I do not have any buy sell hold recommendation in this particular video. The stock which I'm going to name in this video are not at all any recommendation. If any investor or trader has any interest in the mentioned stock, please take your own call or check with your registered advisor. This video is made absolutely for academic purpose only. So without wasting time, let's come back and have a discussion on defense system, defense companies today. Why defense is a structural story. Just look around us. Russia-Ukraine war, afterwards Middle East war, started with Israel, Hamas, Israel, Iran, and US got involved. Now US and Iran. So all together, this conflict, geopolitical tension continues one after one. China-Taiwan issues exist. India's border security related issue exists. Think about Operation Sindhu. So at any stage, no one can ignore uh, geopolitical risk in today's world. So this is an inevitable requirement. Defense is a must requirement for all the countries all over the globe. India, sensing this requirement, is continuously spending after defense. Defense budget has crossed 7 lakh crore for India with continuous annual increase. Capital expenditure is rising faster than revenue expenditure. Focus is on indigenization. Export is also growing in tandem. Government policies, Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, positive indigenization list, import restrictions, and preference to Indian companies are driving the growth of the sector. Defense export, as I already mentioned, is continuously growing. Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East, and even Europe is an opportunity for Indian defense companies. I shall discuss a few companies in this particular video. I'm going to start with the most discussed Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Last year in 2025, when Air Force Chief made a statement related to the negligency of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited be due to delayed execution, then the stock price came under pressure. At that point, I made a video stating that the execution is not willful for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It was due to non-availability of engine which was committed by General Electric GE to deliver to the company. GE cited supply chain issues for which they got delayed, and that is the reason behind why Hindustan Aeronautics Limited failed to execute in time. Currently, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has a very hefty order book of more than 2.5 lakh crore after FY26. In FY26 itself, the company secured order of 97,000 crore. And the company has another 90,000 crore of order intake opportunity over next 2 years. which is included ROH. And in FY26, 97,000 crore order, more than 69,000 crore is from manufacturing and more than 26,000 crore for repair and overhaul, that is ROH. FY26 major orders included 97 LCA Mark 1A, 6 Advanced Light Helicopter Mark 3, 8 Dornier 228, 10 Advanced Light Helicopter NG Pawan Hans, and 2 Hindustan 228 for export to Guyana. Tejas Mark 1A capacity remains a concern for quite some time. Production capacity for LCA Mark 1A is 8 per annum. The company established third production line at Nashik, which was inaugurated in October 2025. After that, its production capacity is 8. Now, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is planning to deliver 20 LCA in this year, FY27. The company has capability of manufacturing ALH through its own designed HTT-40 trainer aircraft and LCH light combat helicopter Prachand. The company has license for manufacturing Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Company already has secured 12 Su-30 MKI orders. Among one will be delivered in FY28 and rest 11 will be delivered in FY29. Su-30 upgradation program is a very big program because Su-30 comprises of a significant part of our existing squadrons. So Su-30 upgradation becomes very, very necessary. And having license for manufacturing Su-30 MKI, the company naturally got upgradation program invitation for Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. HAL is planning to deliver 20 LCA light combat aircraft in this year. The company has received DGCA certification for indigenously manufactured Shakti civil engine. This Shakti civil engine family is used in various helicopters. Shakti 1H1 is for LH Dhruv Mark 3, Mark 4. Shakti 1H1 HAL light combat helicopter Prachand also. Shakti 1H1C civil for HAL Dhruv NG. RD-10 1U for HAL light utility helicopter. Apart from that, company has license for manufacturing RD-33, which is used in MiG-29, AL-31FP for Su-30 MKI. The company is trading at a very cheap 34p, probably one of the cheapest in the defense category, and obviously the cheapest in all frontliner defense companies. The next company which I shall be discussing, that is Bharat Dynamics Limited. The company has a very hefty portfolio of missiles, right? Anti-tank guided missiles like Milan 2, Concourse M, Invar, Nag, man-portable anti-tank guided missile. All these are in the portfolio of the company called Bharat Dynamics Limited. Apart from that, this company is well known for their surface-to-air missile called SAM, Akash Weapon System, medium-range air defense missile for the Army and Air Force, is built by this company, Bharat Dynamics Limited. Quick reaction surface-to-air missile called QRSAM, short-range mobile air defense system. Then medium-range surface-to-air missile called MRSAM. This was developed jointly by DRDO and Israel Aerospace Industries, which is manufactured by BDL for Indian Army, Air Force and Navy. Long-range SAM or Barak 8 naval version, long-range naval air defense missile manufactured for Indian Navy by this company. VLSR SAM, that is vertically launched short-range surface-to-air missile. It's a new generation naval air defense missile, also manufactured by BDL. Apart from surface-to-air missile, the company has expertise in air-to-air missile manufacturing also. Astra Mark 1A is the brand. Indigenously beyond visual range air-to-air missile for fighter aircraft manufactured by BDL. Prithvi, a short-range ballistic missile, and BDL has also participated in the production of strategic Agni missile variants for Indian Armed Forces. UAV launched precision guided missile developed by DRDO with BDL as one of the production partner for UAV launch precision strikes. The company has a strong order book of 26,176 crore after FY26. Among that, 5,909 crore of order has been secured in FY26 only. The company is trading at inflated PE of 111 and EV/EBITDA of 65. The next company which I shall be discussing, that is Bharat Electronics Limited. The company has a strong order book of 72,258 crore after 1st July 2026. Its order book consists of 90% defense and 10% non-defense. In defense, 30% is from Army, 30% from Navy, and 30% from Air Forces. The company's highest order product in the order book is electronic fuses. It is the largest order. The company received this electronic fuses order for LR-SAM, LCA Mark 1A, Mark 1A LRIUs, BMP-2 upgrade, Ashwini radar, EW suit for MI-17V5, NPR Arudhra. Bell is the partner of DRDO for Project Kusha, which is an air defense system, India's indigenously built long-range surface-to-air missile system being developed by DRDO. Its M1 is having a range of 120 to 150 kilometer, targeting fighter aircrafts, helicopters, UAVs, cruise missiles. M2 for 250-kilometer range, having long-range aerial threats, and M3 having range of 350 to 400-kilometer high-value airborne targets at extended ranges. Valuation of the company is not that rich. It's trading at 46 P. Still looks quite cheap compared to many other defense peers. The next company which I shall be discussing, that is Astra Microwave. It has a very strong order book of 2,600 crore after Q4 FY26. Q4 order consisted of SDR programs, radar subsystem from Bell, checkout hardware by ISRO's Gaganyaan. 60% of the revenue comes from radar, defense radars, and space and meteorological radars comprises of 16% of its order. Astra is responsible for active antenna array unit development proportion of Virupaksha radar for the Su-30 upgradation program. The company is trading at PE of 84. Again, looks bit expensive. So these are the stock I have discussed, but there are many other stocks. I will make a second part of this particular series of defense companies. Please keep on watching.